Salut,
Salut, ça va?
ça va?
Ça va bien?
Ça va bien? Toi, ça va bien?
Ça va bien? Euh, Tu manges quoi aujourd'hui? Tu manges quoi?
What?
Tu manges quoi? You know quoi? Quoi? Tu
What's
manges
quoi?
quoi? It's what?
What?
Quoi? Quoi? What do you eat today? Do you know how to say food?
Noodles.
Oui, noodles. Noodles we can say nouilles. Nouilles.
New.
Nouilles, maybe it's a bit difficult. Okay. So okay. Well, let's review just a little bit. Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles?
What's that?
S'appeler. S'appeler. Comment tu t'appelles? Moi, je m'appelle Georges. Et toi? Moi, je m'appelle Georges. Et toi?
Je m'appelle Swan.
Oui, très bien. Je m'appelle Swan. Je m'appelle Swan. How can you say I speak French and Chinese? I speak. Je. How to say I speak? Je.
Okay,
Pa-
I forgot how to say
Je
spoke.
parle. Je parle. Je parle.
Je parle. Je parle.
So how to say Chinese? She.
Chinois,
Oui.
chinois, français.
Oui, très bien. Je parle chinois et français. Oui, je parle chinois et français. Français. And you? How to say and you? Et,
You?
et toi? Et toi? Alors moi je parle chinois. Non, je parle anglais et français. Alors, c'est how to say. Donc c'est bien. Do you know what it means? C'est bien.
C'est bien. Forgot.
It's good. It's good. Bien, bien, good. C'est bien. How about it's very good? How to say it's very good? Very. C'est very très. Très bien.
Très bien.
Très bien. Oui, très bien. Par exemple, I am doing very well.
I am doing very well.
Je.
Je
I am. Je suis.
très
Je suis très bien.
Je suis
Très
Je
bien.
suis très bien.
Yeah, you can say je suis très bien. I am very good. Je suis très bien. Ou this is very good. C'est très bien. C'est très bien. This is very good. This is very good. Okay. How about you have? Do you remember how to say you have? You have. Tu. You have. Tu. Tu as. Tu as.
Là.
Tu as. You have a phone number? How to say you have a phone? Tu as. Tu as un téléphone. Tu as un téléphone.
Tu as un téléphone.
Oui. 06 87 and so on. Okay. How about you have an email? Tu as How would you ask? You have an email.
Tu as
Email. How would you say? Tu as
email.
un email. Tu as un email.
Email.
Email. Email address.
Tu as email.
Oui, tu as un email. How would you ask someone? Do you have a WeChat? Do you have a WeChat? How would you ask this?
Wait. What's the do you?
You have a WeChat? Tu as
Tu as
un WeChat. Tu as un WeChat? Okay? And most people in France, they don't know what is WeChat. So what they will ask you? They will ask you, what is WeChat? Do you know how to say what is WeChat? C'est quoi? C'est quoi?
c'est quoi?
What is it? What is it? And in fact, instead of saying c'est quoi last time, we saw a way that you can ask all the question. We can ask all the question like with this. Do you know? Do you remember? Est-ce que? Est-ce que? Est-ce que? So, est-ce que? So I will tell you the sentence and you need to change it into the question, okay? Je suis français. So can you ask me, are you French? How to say?
Je suis.
So how would you ask the question, are you French?
Je suis français.
Est-ce que? Ouais, or you can say, est-ce que je suis français? Am I French? Est-ce que tu es français? Are you French? Are you French?
Est-ce que ça?
Well, let's do it the other way. So, do you have a phone number? Do you have a phone? Do you have a phone? How would you say? Est-ce que tu as un téléphone?
Tu
Est-ce que tu as un téléphone? It's the same as tu as un téléphone? So,
I basically forget everything.
come on. No, but because, I write it to you this way. Tu as un email? Tu as un email? How would you say it with est-ce que? Tu as un email? Tu as un email?
What
Est-ce que tu as un email? Est-ce que tu as un email? Tu es chinoise? Tu es chinois? How would you say? Another way to ask the question, you can say tu es chinois? Or you can say est-ce que tu es chinois?
Okay.
There is two ways to ask the question. One is just like tu es chinois means tu es chinois. What does it mean? Tu es chinois. Tu es chinois. Tu es chinois means you are Chinese. You are Chinese. Okay? If I say tu es chinois means are you Chinese? Okay? Tu es chinois? Are you Chinese? Okay? And we can also say it like est-ce que tu es chinois? Est-ce que tu es chinois? It's the same meaning. Est-ce que tu es chinois? Are you Chinese? Okay? Whenever you have est-ce que, it's for the question, you know, are you? Est-ce que? Okay? Oh, don't worry about this too. Do you know how to say I live in Changsha? And ask me where do you live?
No.
Habiter. J'habite à
J'habite
Changsha. I live in Changsha.
à Changsha.
J'habite à Paris. Et toi? J'habite à Paris. Et toi?
J'habite à Paris. Et toi?
How would you answer if I tell you this? Moi, j'habite à Paris. Et toi? I live in Paris. And you? How about you? J'habite à Paris. Et toi? I live in Paris. How about you? can say, me, I live in Changsha.
J'habite à Paris et toi?
Yeah, but how would you answer me if I tell this to you?
J'habite à Chinois.
Ouais, or you can say j'habite à Shanghai. Ou j'habite à Shenzhen. Okay? You can say whatever you want. Okay? J'habite à Paris. Et toi? Do you remember how to say are you a student? So we saw this last time, right? Tu es. Tu es. Are you, tu es. Are you students? Tu es.
Jouer et
Étudiante. Tu es étudiante?
étudiant.
Tu es étudiante? Student. Étudiante. Tu es étudiante. Tu es étudiant ou étudiante. And I am a judo teacher. I am. Je suis. Je suis. Je suis professeur de judo. Je suis professeur de
Je
judo.
suis professeur de judo.
Oui, je suis professeur de judo. Je suis professeur de judo. Okay, let's have a simple conversation, and then we can. I ask you some question, and then you answer me. Okay. Salut. Moi, c'est Georges. Et toi? Salut.
Salut.
Moi, c'est Georges. Et toi?
What's that?
Moi, c'est Georges. Ou alors, I can tell it to you.
Moi, c'est
Or I can tell you in another way. I can say salut, je m'appelle Georges. Et toi? Salut, je suis Georges. Ou je m'appelle Georges. Et toi?
Je suis Georges.
So how would you answer? Do you know? Je m'appelle Georges. Et toi?
Salut, je m'appelle Swan.
Oui, très bien. Salut, je m'appelle Swam. Je suis professeur de français. Et toi? Je suis professeur de français. Et toi? I am professeur de français. Et toi? What can you say?
Je suis étudiante.
Oui, je suis étudiante. Étudiante. Je suis étudiante. Oui, très bien. Je suis étudiant. Ou étudiante. Ah, j'habite à Paris. Et toi? J'habite à Paris. Et toi?
J'habite chinoise.
But it's better to say j'habite à and then the name of the city. You know? J'habite à.
J'habite à Jiaozhou.
Oui, ou Jiaozhou, I'm not sure. J'habite à Jiaozhou. Ok. J'habite à Jiaozhou. J'habite à Paris. J'habite à Lille. J'habite à. D'accord. Ok. And what can you say? J'habite à. And then what else? Je suis professeur. Maybe you can ask me my phone number.
How?
Tu as un numéro? Tu as un téléphone? Tu as un téléphone?
Tu as un téléphone?
Ah oui, oui. Oui, c'est 06 89 34 and so on. Ok. Ok. Thank you. Do you have an email address? Do you have email? Ok, merci. Tu as un email? You have email? Ok.
Tu as un email?
Ok. Donc très bien. What can we do? What can we review? Maybe. Not sure. Maybe we can. Maybe let's go on with the lesson 4. Anyway, we'll review with together. let's go on with lesson 4, okay? And also from the
Okay.
book. So let's go on a little bit. Lesson 4. Okay. Maybe we can do the number 2. What do you think about the? Well, maybe it's too difficult. Maybe I will show you some photos and you can tell me the nationality. Okay. I am, or you are, with the nationality. Tu es, and then you tell me the nationality. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So tu es. I will show you this guy. Okay. So what you are. So what would you say for this one?
America.
Oui, tu es américain. Tu es
America.
américain. C'est un cow-boy. C'est un cow-boy américain. You know, un cow-boy. So the next one. Okay, donc this one. What can it? Oh wait. Alors. Okay, attends 2 secondes. Wait, I tried to find, but okay, whatever. This one. Tu es. Here. How about this nationality? Tu es.
Français.
Oui, tu es français. Tu es français. Tu es français. Tu es américain. So if it's a question, it's like tu es français? Ouais. Oui. Tu es américain? Ouais. How about this one? Yeah, this one is very good. Okay. Alors, I show you this one. Tu es. So what about this one? Do you know? Are you?
What's that?
Come on, it's a samurai. Samurai. You know samurai?
No.
You don't know samurai?
I don't.
So how would you say? Tu es Japanese. Tu es japonais. Tu es japonais. Okay? Okay, can you hear? Okay. Tu es japonais, tu es français. Maybe what can we do? Yeah, now in front. Now people, this kind of stereotype. Okay. So I can show you this one. Tu es. So how would you say? Tu es Chinese would be.
Chinois.
Tu es chinois? Tu es chinois? In fact, it's a Benjin duck. Benjin dog, I mean. D'accord. Ok. Donc tu es chinois, tu es français, tu es américain, Tu es japonais. Okay, very good. Let's start and do lesson. Okay, anyway, let's start and do lesson. The next lesson. Okay. You know what? Who is Marianne? Marianne. Qui est Marianne? Qui est Marianne? Who is Marianne? Do you know?
No.
You don't know? So Marianne, c'est Marianne. I'll show you. Marianne is the symbol of the Republic.
What's that?
C'est Marianne. It's the symbol of. It is the symbol of France. The symbol of the French Republic.
Then Francis.
What? Do you know? What other symbol? Oui, it's the symbol of the French Republic. Marianne. You can see she's in all the public place. You have Marianne. You know? You know? It's the symbol of freedom. Freedom. It is the symbol of freedom.
Okay.
You know, during the French Revolution, they say this. You know what they say during the French Revolution? What do they say? La liberté ou la mort. You know what it means? La liberté ou la mort. It means freedom
What's
or
that?
freedom or death. You can choose. You know? So during the revolution, that
Freedom.
you can choose between freedom or you die.
Of course. Freedom.
Yeah, no, it depends. Or it means like I don't want to live as a slave. I want to decide for myself. I want to be a free man. I don't want to rely on someone else control me. Or so it's freedom or death. Or it means if you don't want to be free, then you should die. You know, it has two meanings. If you don't want to live free, you must die. It's very extreme. It's the revolution. Ok, ok, bon, peu importe. Hein. Alors, anyway, so Marianne, you need to remember Marianne. Do you know any other symbol of France? Do you know any other symbol of France?
The Eiffel Tower.
Yeah, the Eiffel Tower. But how about the symbol of the Republic? What you can say? Maybe you can say the flag, the French flag. The flag is bleu, blanc, rouge. Okay? Le drapeau.
Rouge.
Rouge is red. Red. Drapeau français.
Okay.
Okay, the drapeau français. Bleu, blanc, rouge. This is another symbol of France. Okay. What other symbol of France do you have? Do you know what's the animal? That's the symbol of France. What animal is the symbol of France? Do you know?
No.
The rooster. Le coq. The rooster is the symbol of France, you know. What other symbol? Do you know what flower is the symbol of France? You know what the flower is the symbol of France?
What flower?
This is
What's that?
a lily flower.
That's Lily.
What?
That's Lily.
It's like this. Yes, like this. La fleur de lys.
Okay.
Lily flower. They are all symbol of France. In fact, it's the symbol of the king. This. Le coq. The flag. Bleu, blanc, rouge. Bleu, blanc, rouge. Okay. I'm not sure. La framée aussi. So these are all symbol of France. Marianne is also symbol of France. Marianne, usually when you see it in all the place, all the city hall, there will be Marianne like this, you know.
Okay.
They will do it like this usually. You can see it in the embassy, in all the places where it's linked to France. It's Marianne. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And okay. Let's go on with the other things. So let's go on, d'accord. On va regarder ensemble. On va regarder l'unité 2, d'accord. Qu'est-ce que tu aimes? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes? J'aime. J'aime. So j'aime. So what can you tell me? Maybe you like football. How to say this?
No idea.
Come on, j'aime le football. J'aime le football.
No.
So how about this one? It's the same as in English. So I like this. How would you say this one? J'aime.
J'aime
Le. Can you guess? Chocolat. J'aime le chocolat. Oui, chocolat. It's the same. Chocolat. How about this one? Wait.
Which one?
Wait, I'm coming. I just take the photo for you. So this one, like this. J'aime.
That's tea or coffee?
Coffee. So how do you say in French? Do you know?
J'aime le
Le café. Oui, j'aime le café. Alors, j'aime le chocolat, j'aime le café, j'aime le football. How about this one? We can check this one together. You know, this one. In France, in Paris, there are many like this. In fact, I mean, you can watch. There are many places where you can go and see like this. Some people will sing and dance, you know.
Yeah.
In English we say opera.
Opera.
So in French we say l'opéra. J'aime l'opéra. Donc j'aime le café. Oui, j'aime le chocolat. J'aime le café. J'aime l'opéra. How about this one? Thank you. How about this? Wait, I just take the photo for you. Alors, it's a kind of sport. J'aime.
Basketball.
Oui, so in French we say j'aime le basket. J'aime le basket. Okay? So,
J'aime le basket.
j'aime le basket. Oui, très bien. J'aime le basket. And what the question is, qu'est-ce que tu aimes? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes? Maybe you can repeat after me. Qu'est-ce que tu aimes? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes? So what do you like? What do you like? So this is the lesson 2, huh? You know, you can see this is the lesson 2. Unit 5, lesson 5, in fact. Unit 2, lesson 5. Page 38. It's page 38, okay? Of the book, you know?
Okay.
It's page 38 of the book. Qu'est-ce que tu aimes? Okay?
Where is it?
Page 38.
Oh, yeah.
Page 38. Qu'est-ce que tu aimes? How would you say motorbike? Motorbike.
Multiple.
J'aime.
J'aime.
J'aime la. J'aime la moto. La moto.
Moto.
Motorbike. Moto. J'aime la moto. Okay? Okay. So let's read the text together. Bonjour Chris.
Bonjour, Chris.
Moi c'est Julie.
Moi, c'est Julie.
Je suis étudiante à Bordeaux.
Je suis étudiant à Bordeaux.
À Bordeaux. Et toi, qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Et toi, qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Qu'est-ce que tu fais means what are you doing? What are you doing? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? What are you doing? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Okay? Alors, do you understand what she say? Bonjour Chris. What does it mean in English? Maybe. Can you translate?
Bonjour,
Chris.
Chris.
What does it mean? Bonjour.
Donc,
Hello. Hello Chris. Moi c'est Julie. C'est Julie.
I am Julie.
Oui, this is Julie. Je suis étudiante à Bordeaux. Je suis étudiante.
I'm a student
Oui.
at Bordeaux.
Oui, très bien. Et toi, qu'est-ce que tu fais means and you. What are you doing? What are you doing? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Je suis étudiant aussi.
Okay.
Je suis étudiant aussi.
Je suis
Comment? Yeah. Et
étudiant.
aussi. And after. Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire? Can you repeat?
Qu'est-ce que
Tu aimes.
tu as fait?
Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes means what do
Qu'est-ce
you
que tu as?
Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire? What do you like to do? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire?
Qu'est-ce que tu as fait?
What do you love? What do you like to do? Or we could also say qu'est-ce que tu aimes? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes? What do you like? Qu'est-ce que tu
What
aimes
do you like?
What do you like to do? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire? Ok?
Okay.
Alors, j'aime le cinéma,
Le cinéma.
l'opéra.
L'empire.
J'aime lire.
J'aime lire.
Lire means to read. I like to read. Lire. Et toi?
Lire. Et toi?
Moi, je n'aime pas beaucoup ça.
Moi, je n'aime beaucoup ça.
Je n'aime pas. Je n'aime pas.
Je n'aime pas.
Je n'aime pas means I don't like. I don't like. Je n'aime pas beaucoup ça. I don't like this a lot. Je préfère le sport.
Nous préférons school.
Je préfère le sport.
Je préfère le school.
Can you guess what the word je préfère means in English? Do you know? It's almost the same. Je préfère.
Je préfère.
What does it mean in English? Do you know? Je préfère. Can you
No.
guess? I prefer. I prefer. Je préfère. I prefer. You know? It's almost the same word. Je préfère le sport. What is le sport?
I don't know.
The sport is sport. Sport. I prefer sport. I prefer sport. Le foot, which is football. La moto, motorbike. Okay? Oh là là! D'accord, d'accord. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
D'accord, d'accord, au revoir. Oh là là. What does it mean? D'accord, d'accord.
You
D'accord.
know.
D'accord, miss. Ok, ok, ok. Hein, d'accord, d'accord. Ok, ok, ok. Goodbye.
Okay.
So let's read it together one time, okay? Together. Bonjour Chris.
Okay.
Bonjour Chris. Moi c'est Julie.
Bonjour, okay.
Moi c'est Julie.
Moi c'est Julie.
Je suis étudiante à Bordeaux. Je suis étudiante à Bordeaux.
Je suis étudiant et Doudou.
Je suis étudiante à Bordeaux.
Je suis étudiant et Doudou.
Et toi, qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Et toi, est-ce que
Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Je suis étudiant aussi.
Je suis étudiant aussi.
Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire?
Qu'est-ce que tu en fais?
Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire?
Qu'est-ce que tu en fais?
Alors, j'aime le cinéma.
J'aime
Cinéma,
cinéma,
l'opéra.
l'opéra.
J'aime lire.
J'aime lire.
Et toi?
Et toi?
Moi, je n'aime pas beaucoup ça.
Moi, je pas recevoir.
Je préfère le sport.
Je préfère recevoir.
Le sport.
Le store.
Le foot.
Le foot.
La moto.
La moto.
Oh là là!
Oh là là.
D'accord, d'accord.
D'accord, d'accord.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Okay. So maybe you can do the girl. You can do Julie. Tu es Julie. Et moi, je suis Chris. Tu es Julie.
Okay.
And I am Chris. Je suis Chris. D'accord? So you start.
Bonjour, Chris. Moi, c'est Julie. Je suis étudiant en robotique. Et toi, qu'est-ce que tu as fait?
Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Je suis étudiant aussi. Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire?
Alors, j'aime le cinéma. Après, j'aime le... Et toi?
Moi, je n'aime pas beaucoup ça. Je préfère le sport. Le foot, la moto.
Oh là là. Des cours. Au revoir.
Oui, très bien. So do you understand why she doesn't like him? She doesn't like him. Why?
I don't know.
So what does he like to do? What does he like to do?
We like to sport.
Yeah, he likes the sport. He likes the football. He likes motorbike. And what does she likes to do?
She likes to watch movies or something.
She likes to read. She likes to go to the cinema. She likes to go to the opera. So why she doesn't like him?
Because they don't have the same interests.
Yeah, they don't match. They don't match, you know. He's like, he likes the foot, la moto, you know. In France, we have a name for the people like this, you know or not?
Huh?
In France, we say le beauf, you know, beauf.
The wolf.
It's not a good word, in fact. Beauf. I think it's written like this. Yeah, it's a guy like this, okay? I'll show you. So I show you, this is the stereotype of this kind of guy. You know?
Yeah.
In fact, we write like this. You know why? I'm both, you know?
Uh-huh.
You know who is this kind of guy?
No.
They are the guys, the man who like to watch the football on TV, or they like to watch. I can write for you. In French, we say le beauf, ou un beauf. He's a man who likes to watch TV, watch football, soccer on TV, watch boxing, drink beer in some bar, in some pub, in some bar. Maybe he has a gun. He likes to go shooting, hunting. He likes to ride the big car or the motorbike. You know,
Okay.
he's the kind of guy. Both, and he will be very what do you want? And he has no he doesn't have any knowledge, or his knowledge is very low, you know.
Yeah.
So sometimes we say in France, we'll say maybe Trump is like a both, a little bit. You know?
Okay. Wolf.
We say Trump is a both, a little bit. You know why?
No.
Yeah. Because Trump is a little bit like this. He likes the girls, he likes to drink, he likes to watch the football, the soccer, he likes to maybe to have a gun and shoot, you know?
Okay.
You see? This is kind of like both. Both is a guy who, yeah, he's just like this, you know? Maybe not so much class, maybe. I don't know. Maybe some people say. Okay, un both. Okay? And she's more like educated, you know? Maybe she's a little bit annoying also. I don't know. She is more about education. Okay, maybe you can do you can do Chris. Tu es Chris et je suis Julie, d'accord? Tu es Chris. Tu es Chris. Je suis Julie. Bonjour Chris. Moi c'est Julie. Je suis étudiante à Bordeaux. Et toi, qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Okay.
So can you answer? It's written the text. Et toi, qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Et quoi est-ce que tu as fait?
It's the book. Je suis étudiant. Can you read?
Which page again?
The same, 38. So you are Chris and I am Julie. Je suis Julie.
Okay.
Bonjour Chris.
Et-
Moi c'est Julie. Je suis étudiante à Bordeaux. Et toi, qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Je suis étudiant aussi. Quoi c'est que toi-même fait?
Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire? Qu'est-ce que...
Qu'est-ce que?
Alors, j'aime le cinéma, l'opéra, j'aime lire. Et toi?
Moi, je n'aimais pas beaucoup. Je parlais le sport, le feu, les motos.
Oh là là! D'accord, d'accord. Au revoir. D'accord. Oh là là! What do you know what it means? Oh là là!
No.
Oh là là! Oh!
La la.
Means oh no! Oh no! Oh my god! You know? French people usually they will say we have something that's called faire la moue. You know? Faire la moue. You know what it is, faire la moue? Only
No.
French people do this. It's specific to French people. French people, they often do like this. Faire la moue. Do you know what it means? I can do it also like this. Can you do it?
Okay.
Can you do it?
Faire la moue.
Faire la moue is more like it's a way to, you know what it means, faire la moue?
No.
Means you are not happy with something, you know, or you look down on someone, or you want to show someone that is not doing something well, or you want to show you are not happy, you know. So French people, they will often do this, you know. Faire la moue, you know.
No.
In China, people do it as well. Faire la moue. Faire la moue. You're not happy. So usually when people font la moue, they also do oh là là. Ah. I say ah. No, no, do like that. Some people, there are many ways you can do it. You can usually you cross the arm like this. Sometimes they will shake the head at the same time. I think Chinese people, they will do a little bit. They can do like this. Chinese people, they will do this maybe. No? But French people, they do like oh la la, oh la la. You know? The girl will also do it a lot. The French woman, they will do it a lot. You know? I can show you. It's like this. Faire la moue is very important gesture in France. Maybe like this. Yeah. Ah yeah. In fact, in English maybe they have to. In the woman, they will do like this maybe. Okay. So you will say oh la la. So you know what it means? Oh la la. Oh la la is when you are very disappointed. Oh la la. Oh my god. Very disappointed.
Yeah.
So I will tell you some situation, then you tell me if I can say oh la la or not. For instance, you have a friend and your friend told you, you know, the other day I saw my husband was with another woman. So can you say oh la la or not?
Oh la la.
Yeah. If I tell you this, I'm your friend and say, oh, the other day I saw my husband with another woman. Can you say oh la la?
Oh la la.
Yeah, you can say oh la la, oh la la. Okay. So if let's say I got fired from my work, will you say oh la la?
Oh la la.
Yeah. So I lost my job. Oh la la, I lost my job. Oh la la. Oh la la, the other day I saw my husband with someone else. Oh, I saw my husband. Oh la la, he's really bad. He's really a bad person. Oh la la, you know. I saw my husband with another girl. Oh la la, he's such a bad person. Okay. My grandmother is dead. So what say? My grandmother is dead. Oh la la, I'm so sorry for you. I'm so sorry that you are to hear this. Oh, that's really bad. Oh la la. You know. I think women should stay at home. Women must stay at home and take care of the children. Oh la la, you are such a bad guy. You are really a macho. I don't want to talk to you anymore. Oh la la. Don't talk to me anymore. I think Chinese are really weak. I think Chinese are weak. Oh la la, you are such a racist. How can you say this? I don't talk to you anymore. Why are you so racist, you know? Okay, so this is oh la la, oh la la. This is how you use oh la la, okay? Do you understand?
Okay.
Ça va, tu comprends? Do you understand? So let's ask some question, okay?
Okay.
J'aime, je n'aime pas, okay? J'aime, je n'aime pas. So I will ask you, you can look at some things and let's say j'aime, j'aime pas. I don't know if j'aime ou j'aime pas. I don't know if I have it here. I don't think I have. So I will show you something and you can tell me you like or you don't like. J'aime, je n'aime pas. Okay.
I don't like that.
What? So maybe this one. So you look at the photo and you tell me I like this or I don't like this.
I think you like what?
What?
You don't like it, right?
Me? So what would you say when you this is? Do you like this or do you don't like it? How would you say in French?
It,
Je n'aime pas, maybe. Je
N'aime
n'aime
pas.
pas. Yeah, a man who slaps a woman is not good. Je n'aime pas. Okay. Alors, how about this one? How about this one? J'aime ou je n'aime pas?
j'aime le pas.
What?
J'aime
J'aime.
le pas.
J'aime. I like. Some man offer flowers. J'aime. Okay? J'aime. So how about I don't know. I don't have money. I will show you this one. I don't have money. What would you say? J'aime ou j'aime pas?
J'aime le pas.
If you don't have any money, you like or you don't like?
I don't.
So you say je n'aime pas. Je n'aime pas.
J'aime
Je n'aime pas. Je n'aime pas. Okay. Maybe you live in this city. Maybe you live in this city. If you live in this city, what would you say? In India, you live in this city. Do you like or you don't like? What would you say?
I'm not sure.
Well, come on, it's very polluted. For me, je n'aime pas. Je n'aime pas. There's too much pollution.
J'aime pas.
Je n'aime pas. Me, I don't like this kind of city. It's too much pollution. How about what is this, you know? The this one I know what you will answer. So this one, the virus, le virus. You like or you don't like?
I don't like.
So how to say in French? Je n'aime pas. Je n'aime pas. Okay? Je n'aime pas. How about I don't know what to say. maybe this is your new house. This is your new house. You like or you don't like. This is your new house. You like or you don't like. J'aime. J'aime, ok? J'aime, je n'aime pas. J'aime. This house is very nice. J'aime, ok? Let's work a little bit, practice a little bit the word, ok? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes? Can you tell me what you like? Toi, qu'est-ce que tu aimes? Ou qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire?
Qu'est-ce que tu aimes?
Qu'est-ce que tu aimes?
Qu'est-ce que tu aimes?
Qu'est-ce que tu...
Qu'est-ce que tu aimes?
Oui, qu'est-ce que tu aimes? What do you like? Can you tell me a few things you like?
Egg, roses.
Yeah, but in French, J'aime. Some easy.
J'aime
Maybe you can say whatever you want.
horse.
The horse?
Horse.
Sport? Le sport.
Non.
The horse? Cheval?
Cheval.
The horse, yeah?
Uh-huh.
Ok. J'aime faire du cheval. Faire. To ride the horse. Or just the horse. To ride the horse. Okay. J'aime faire du cheval.
J'aime
Faire du cheval. Ride the horse. Faire du cheval.
faire
Okay. How would you say I like sport? J'aime sport. Is the same.
J'aime sport.
Oui. J'aime le sport. How would you say I like football? J'aime le foot. Le foot. How would you say I like basketball?
Basketball.
J'aime.
Le basket.
Oui, j'aime le basket. How would you say I like music? Or like cinema? I like cinema. J'aime le cinéma. J'aime le cinéma. How would you say I like riding the motorbike? J'aime
J'aime
la motorbike. I like riding motorbike. J'aime la moto. Oui, j'aime le cinéma. J'aime le basket. J'aime la moto. Ok. J'aime le sport. Ok. How about opera? J'aime l'opéra. J'aime l'opéra. I like going to the opera. Okay. What do you prefer? I can ask you several. Like le foot ou le cinéma. What do you prefer? Le foot ou le cinéma? How would you say I prefer?
I prefer.
Je préfère. What-
Je préfère le cinéma.
Oui, je préfère le cinéma. Qu'est-ce que tu préfères? Le foot ou le basket?
Le foot, le basket.
How do you say? Which one do you prefer? Je préfère.
Je préfère basket.
Oui, je préfère le basket. Oui, bravo. How about the next one? Faire du cheval. Faire du cheval ou faire,
Oh, cheval.
faire la moto. What do you prefer? Horse riding or motorbike riding?
Motorbike riding.
Ah bon? Je préfère la moto.
Préfère la moto.
Oui, je préfère la moto. Ok, très bien. Je préfère le sport. Je préfère le cinéma. Je préfère le cinéma.
Le cinéma.
Maybe have you been to you've been to Changsha? Changsha ou you live in Juzhou? You live in
Hotel.
what?
I live in hotels in Changsha.
Yeah, but what do you prefer? Now you live in which city? The city is what? Is Jiuzhou, Jiaozu.
Jiaozu.
Jiaozu. Do you prefer Changsha or Jiaozu? Changsha.
Jiaozu.
Donc how to say? I prefer Jiaozu. Je préfère Jiaozu.
Préfère Jiaozu.
Oui. Do you prefer Baozi or Mian?
Noodles.
Oui. Je préfère. Really? This kind of noodle? The noodles, les nouilles, or the baozi. Baozi. So, je préfère les nouilles, which means noodle. I prefer noodle.
I prefer noodles. Je préfère noodles.
Maybe I can ask you. Who do you prefer? I can send you maybe this guy. Who do you prefer?
Who do you prefer?
Chinois,
Do you prefer Chinois?
or maybe who knows? Maybe this guy, or maybe this guy. I don't know. I think you don't like this guy. Or français. Chinois
Français.
ou
Chinois?
français. What kind of man do you
Oh,
prefer?
who's that?
Chinese man or
Who's
French
that?
man? He's a French man. French actor, I think.
Well, basically, I do prefer Chinois, but not the kind of picture that you showed.
Really? He's supposed to be very handsome.
Nowadays, Chinese girls prefer people like...
Really? So this guy is old-fashioned? He's not...
Nowadays, like, we prefer people like... Wait, let me give you a photo.
Really?
Wait a sec.
Okay.
Okay, this one's good. See if you can see it.
Okay. Oh, yeah, okay. I would check it. Like, it's just uploading. Okay, but this is, I think it's not real. He's really like this. He's very young.
That's real. He's real like that.
Really? He has no hair. So do you prefer?
What? That's like the hair's color is kind of like gray and green and blue.
No, but he has no hair on the face.
Mixed
Do you prefer the man who has mustache like this? Mustache?
No, like we don't like the people with mustache. Do you think that it's kind of weird?
Really? How about the bird? The bird who is very big bird. You know? Sometimes in France, some people... Now French people, they like this style. A little bit. Or maybe, I know, this one is very...
No.
Many French people, they like to be like this now. With the, not mustache, but the bird like this. Many French people, they're like this. They don't shave. You know? They keep a little bit, the man, they keep a little bit like this. Or like this. You know? People prefer to have this in France, to be a little bit like this, you know? You see?
Okay, that was kind of like more mature.
Yeah, they're always all like this. They will have a little bit, not shave, you know, not shave.
But as actually Chinese girls prefer the ones that look really young and kind of cute. And you know, what's a
It's like a girl. It's girly man. Girly man.
No, they're not girly. It's like
They don't have any hair. They don't have any hair. In fact, in France now, many men they like they don't shave. They just leave a little bit like this, and the hair a little bit longer. You know, many men they do this. Is the style, is the fashion now in France. They don't shave. Few people shave. You see? I don't know why it's like this. Yeah. Many men is like this now in France. They don't shave. They just do like this. I don't know for the girls what's the fashion. They don't shave. They just like this. You know. They are all. Ils sont tous français. They are all French. Maybe this guy also. You see, they don't shave. All of them don't shave. It's very fashion not to shave. Yeah.
It doesn't look good for me.
Really. But some of them, you're very young, but it's like teenage guy. Maybe because you are younger. It's like teenage guy is like this, very very young. But I think it's not very. People make fun of these guys in France. Don't like so much. Yeah. Too young. It's too, you know. He's a football player. Il fait du foot. This guy. You know?
Yeah.
So I think maybe you don't like French man, but I think whatever. The woman is the, I don't know what's the famous French woman these days. I'm not so sure. I'm not so sure about the famous French woman now. I don't know. I'm not sure. I will check. I don't know which French woman. The French women who are famous this year, they are not nice. I don't like. This woman maybe, you know. Yeah. This French woman is famous for beauty. It's supposed to be.
Okay.
Well, I don't know. Yeah, whatever. It's okay. Je préfère, you know.
Je préfère.
Je préfère. Je préfère le foot. Je préfère la moto. Je préfère. J'aime, je n'aime pas. J'aime, je n'aime pas. Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire? What do you like to do? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire? Ok. Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire? Okay. Maybe we can stop here, and but you need to try and remember on this. So I like, I don't like. J'aime, je n'aime pas. And maybe what you can try to do for next time, you know, is maybe do a little bit. Which one you can do? Page 39. You know, page 39. 39. So you can fill it. Fill in. J'aime. Gna gna gna. Je n'aime pas. Gna gna gna. Okay. Do you see on page 39? They say, I like to sleep, I like to read, I don't like cinema, I don't like football, I like dancing, you know. And the important is qu'est-ce que tu aimes? What do you like to do? And je préfère, I prefer, okay? And I think we can stop. I think we can stop now. Yeah, they are supposed to be, but I really don't like these girls. They are supposed to like this girl. Many people were crazy about her. I don't know if you know. Now she's old, but many people were crazy about her. This girl also. I think they are all French girls, but I don't think they are so nice. They're just so. This one I really don't like. This one, she's very famous, Laetitia Casta. But I think she, I don't know. I think she's not so beautiful. No, I tried this one. I think she's just so. This woman. This woman now, she's.
They do look good.
I don't like her so much. She was very known in France. These women, they are very, very known, even. But I don't know. They are okay, but they all work. They are all very international. They are all over the world, you know. She's also an actress.
Wait, I've got a question.
Yes. She's also very famous.
Is
what?
Is Contessa a French word?
The what? What? How do you say?
Is Contessa a French word?
Contessa? I don't think so.
Contessa.
Conteste? Contesta? Comtesse?
Contessa.
I don't think so. Comtesse, yes. Comtesse.
Is that?
Comtesse.
Is that?
How would you write it? How would you spell it? Do you know?
I've already sent you.
Okay. I will check it. No, Contessa, no, mais Comtesse. Comtesse. I think it's Comtesse. Yeah, Comtesse is the title. Like the nobility, you know? You know, nobleman.
The word seems like, because like Contessa, the word Contessa seems like
the king or
like
the
French word.
Yeah, Comtesse. Comtesse is the noble title, you know, nobility. Before there's people, they have the rank. So Comtesse, you know. Then another one will be baron ou marquis. You know, they are all the noble man, the noble people, you know. You know.
Get it?
Yeah, for instance, I don't know. For instance, this guy is a marquis. You know, marquis. They are before they are like the people who are the noble people. Marquis. You know, baron. Duchesse. You know, duchesse is like the duke. Duchesse, you know. There's some people. They are the nobility. You know? Duchesse is very high rank. The duchess is like maybe cousin of the king. Duchess is very high rank. You know.
Get it? Why do those like pictures look so strange?
Because the people used to wear like this. It's like there's still some people like the royal family, royal people, royal royal family, you know.
Yeah.
There is still some alive in France. For instance, this woman, she's very ugly. You know, she's very, very old, and she's a duke. You know, duke. But she's very ugly. I don't know. This woman,
Because like they look so strange. Their shoulders are actually a straight line. Unlike now, people have like straight shoulders.
I don't know. Maybe they have a, you know, like it's the same as you know in the UK. It's the same. They have all the nobility. You know, in the UK, they are the king. They have to marry and everything. You know, system is nobility. You know, you see. You know the nobility. Huh? In fact, if you are from this kind of family, you should only marry people who have the same rank. You know. You know. But this is finished now. In fact, one of my ancestors, he was Comte. This is one of my ancestors. Some of my ancestors, there was nobility, but some of my ancestors is a normal guy. You know?
Yeah.
This guy is a Comte. He was one of my ancestors. Then I don't know. There is also this guy.
Hey, looks fat.
Yeah. But there is also this guy. He was one of my ancestors also. An army guy. I don't know. He's an army guy. There's many people. They have the ancestors that are. It's like this. It's the same as him in. It's the same in China. In some other place, you know. I think everywhere.
Hey.
Yes.
Whoa, what's that?
He's also one of my ancestors. He was Marquis. And the first one is Comte. You have all the rank depending on how important you are in society. Before, the society is very closed. Most people, they are just farmers and they have no rights. And then you have a few people, they have maybe 1% of the people. They are nobility. And then they have all the rights. And they are like landowners, you know, landowners.
Yeah.
Then they are very rich and they never work, you know. And they are the only one who have education.
I'm really like thinking that like the royal family, they're wearing high heels even when they're pregnant.
Yeah, it depends.
So high.
It
Aren't they tired?
It depends on the time. It just depends on the custom. Sometimes they wear, sometimes they don't wear. You know, it's just the fashion. You know.
Okay.
It just depends on the fashion. Okay.
My pet is about to die out.
Yeah, let's go. Bah, see you, hein. D'accord? On se voit.
Hey, bye.
Salut. Au revoir. Salut.
Au revoir.
Salut.